What we're able to do visually and with sound is really amazing with Dolby technology, not just from the mixing stage, but to the theater, where, we used to joke like that's the best our film's ever going to sound. It was in our mixing stage, and we all would take a moment and watch the movie. And then we had different formats that we could release it on that would basically bring it back to that original. Now, today, with this technology, we have the ability to go, this is our mix here, this is the way it looks, and now in theaters we can deliver that to an audience in its purest form, the way that we had intended for them to experience. I'm always thinking about the audience and the effect that we want to create on the audience. Sound has always been very important to me. The amount of time that we spend on the mixes, the amount of time that we're recording different sounds and trying different sounds, it's a massive difference and really opens up the picture for an audience. It gives them a much broader experience. It's the closest thing to be able to be in that plane. For an audience to recognize and understand what it is, the G-force and the dynamic inside that aircraft, I feel very proud that we've accomplished that for an audience, to give them that experience. And these tools do make it an immersive experience. It is different than anything else. It's something that you can't get anywhere else. Whether even an audience, they're coming going, I don't know why that was so different, but seeing it in this format where it's intended, it's transformative.